so we're doing a little electrical repair here, and you're a veteran?
Yes, veterans of the Vietnam War.
Alrighty, so thanks for serving the country I'm born in.
Thank you much. Served it well.
Thank you. And we're going to do some electrical repair for him. We're going to fix an outlet that has loose wires going to it.
Yep. Be all good shape.
Yes. See the loose wires going into the box in the wall? Alrighty, so we're going to take this outlet off of here.
How about that guess down there?
The what?
The guess for that switch. That was a good guess.
Yeah.
I'll try this one here. Oh. So this must have been that one that's blown down there.
Yeah.
Could have been. Just flip it back on, that's all.
I'll just cut the wires off, and I'll show you this up close, how sloppily it was hooked up. There's the black wire. I'll turn it around this way. And there's the white wire was around the screw the wrong way, and see how much slack was left off the ground wire? Well, it wasn't shorting out, it was just very, very sloppy.
Oh. Probably didn't, guy didn't worry about it anyways.
No. And the wires are just through this hole right here, and they weren't properly installed. Oh, guess what? The wires are going to be long enough where I can bring the jacket into the box, so I'm not going to have to tape it. So it's going to be nailed to the wall like this. So I'll open up the bottom one here. So I'll nail it onto the stud like this. And you know what? I'm going to start right into that where that hole is. So I'm going to have to go down a little bit. It's not going to be lined up cosmetically, but safety is always more important than cosmetic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Making sure the box is nice and tight. Staple below this wire here. Oh, right on a damn knot. Okay, so we got.
The next time you come in, you do all the plugs with 3-prong plug.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
You don't have to worry about trying to find them.
Yeah. Do you have another 3-prong one? I can put that one in there that's...
Yeah, I got one, lots of them in the bag there.
Oh, I don't know. I think I used them all up.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in here.
Oh, good, good.
Because I got probably, I had 6 or 8 of them, and then I bought a couple more.
Mm-hmm.
Just to keep it on hand.
Okay.
So when you come back, do some more wiring, you can do all the plugs.
Okay, I'd like to do that one today that's loose there sticking out.
Oh, that one over there, yeah. and a couple in the living room. One that's broke.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that today too.
Because every time you plug in the vacuum cleaner, it falls out.
All right, let's do that one. So I'm glad we don't have to use tape to.
No.
Okay, now I'll just break these little tabs off.
Bless you.
Thank you. When we put the sheetrock up, you don't have to take the outlet apart. And if it's back a little bit, we'll just put some couple washers behind it to shim it out. So I'll do it in some of the part of the way here. Okay. Peace. Thanks for watching.